what are we going to do about AI? That's the question that everyone wants to know. I want to know. There's a new book coming out from Rob Collie called Fair Game. Customizing AI to your business is easier than you think. You've probably read Rob's book on Power BI, or before that, his books on DAX. Great selling books. And Rob once told me, he said, never let me write another book again. But he realized that AI was changing everything and people were not talking about the right things. The book is coming out August 11, 2026. Rob has a great USA pre-order bundle with a hardcover, ebook, audiobook, and the first 4 chapters available right now at fairgamebook.ai. I can ship to the rest of the world. Rob has a hardcover. I'll have a paperback for the rest of the world. But ebook, audiobook, and the pre-release chapters, that's at MrExcel.com/FGINTL. Both of those links are down in the YouTube description. Why Fair Game? Here's the one that gets me right here. This is the one I love. Your next great AI builder might already be on staff making spreadsheets. That's right, us, the spreadsheet people. We have a huge role in the future, which is great to hear. So here's the table of contents. We have the first 4 chapters out now, which I've read. Chapter 2 explains how a chatbot actually works behind the scenes. Great to know. And then in chapter 3, Rob talks about 2 kinds of computing. This new LLM and everything before it, 9 decades of CPU computing. And what surprised me is 4 of the 5 chatbot components, they're using regular CPU compute. But that other part, the part that understands language, we learned about tokens and vectors and math, and when CPUs still win, right? And I love this graphic in chapter 4. This tiny little dot here is the last printed Encyclopedia Britannica. This is all of Wikipedia. And this is all of the trading in, let's say, Claude, right? It's like 4,000 to 1 ratio of how much knowledge it has. And while it has all that knowledge about all kinds of great things in the world, it doesn't know anything about your business. That's what's missing. So Rob introduces custom AI. You tell it about your business just using simple text, no code. Still to come, Rob talks about the new business model, how things look. The 3 people, the crafters, a couple of developers, and a leader who brings this whole thing together. Rob really wrote the book for the leader, how to build this team. But as a crafter, as a spreadsheet guy, I'm as interested in the book just to understand what the company will probably be looking for me to do in the future and how I'm going to get along with the devs. Long, long ago, I was in accounting and IT was down in IT and we hated each other and we need to work together. And Rob talks about that, how to make it work together. So check out this book, Fair Game, coming out August 11th. Go to Rob's site or my site, pre-order the bundle. You'll get the first 4 chapters right now, ebook, audiobook, and more bonus chapters as we get closer to the release. Well, hey, thanks for stopping by. We'll see you next time for another netcast from Mr. Excel.